she found a better way to loan. These days, availing of loans has become really easy. There are now establishments that allow you to enjoy cash loans, no credit check. There are now establishments that allow you to enjoy cash loans, no credit check. My mother owns a meat shop and convenience store. She has managed it for more than 20 years, and surprisingly, the majority of her employees have not really changed. It is very tricky to describe my mother as a manager. Over the years, I have noticed her as being too strict but having a soft heart. It is really a unique combination for me. I would remember times where she would get verbally angry, but after a few minutes, she would go quiet and regret what she did. It is also very hard to say if my mother is a generous manager. I would get to hear her during paydays talking about compensating our employees on time. As she is handling our employees' respective pay, she would whine about not having enough money for payday or the dwindling sales of her store. If I would be my mother's employee, then I would get really discouraged to hear that. Eventually I might resign and leave her. There was a time when one of my mother's employees approached her because she wanted to cover cash advance. My mother granted her, but it was such a small amount, plus she had to endure my mother's sermon before being able to get her loan. Fortunately for that employee, she found a good company that offers quick loans that don't perform credit checks anymore.